Hi, I'm Dr. Lena Wen, the president of Planned Parenthood Federation of America. I'm so excited to announce that Planned Parenthood is Benefit Cosmetics' newest Bold is Beautiful partner. We are so glad to have the partnership of Benefit in our work at Planned Parenthood. For us, this is about empowering all people to make the best decisions about their health and their futures. At Planned Parenthood, every day we are providing healthcare and education to all people, no matter what. We're talking about cancer screenings, STI and HIV tests, and primary and preventive care. We all need to be stepping up and fighting for our rights and our health like never before. And Bold is Beautiful and our partners here at Benefit are key to our work because we are the ones that we've been waiting for. We can't wait for anybody else to step up and fight for us when it's our rights and our health on the line. Planned Parenthood is proud to be the nation's leading provider of sexual and reproductive health care. We are proud to serve women, men, LGBTQ people, all people, no matter what. And Bold is Beautiful and the partnership with Benefit is allowing us to serve even more patients, to provide even more health care, to provide even more healthcare and education at a time when we really need it the most. And the donations, the support, the guidance, the partnership from Benefit is essential for us to serve our patients and to allow us to fight to protect our rights and protect our health.